Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best TIG welder you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best TIG welder in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Electric TIG Welder. Moderately high-end branded and reliable TIG welder, suitable for beginners, hobbyists, small and medium fabricators, and professionals. A great TIG machine for aluminum. Dual voltage 120V or 230V. Dual welder AC/DC TIG and stick. LED display. High frequency start for aluminum welding. This welder provides smooth and stable AC TIG welding on aluminum and DC TIG welding on mild steel, stainless steel, and other metals. Moderate weight portable welder. This AC TIG 200 provides smooth welding on aluminum, and the DC TIG provides smooth welding on steel, stainless steel, and alloy steels. The machine provides a user-friendly interface. High frequency start for aluminum welding. A great TIG machine for aluminum for a wider or tighter welding bead. Users can easily adjust AC frequency control. AC balance can be adjusted to provide more cleaning action on dirty aluminum or maximize penetration on thick materials. Our second best TIG welder is Weldpro Digital Tig Welder. Medium budget TIG welder for beginners, hobbyists, and small fabricators. Dual voltage 110V or 220V. High frequency start for TIG. 2T or 4T mode. Dual welder AC/DC TIG and stick. Selector for TIG or stick and AC/DC. Rocker style foot pedal for amperage control. You can weld aluminum, carbon steel, stainless steel, etc. This welder is capable of TIG welding AC or DC current. The user can use DC current for welding carbon steel, stainless steel, and other metals and AC current for welding aluminum and aluminum alloys. TIG 200GD is equipped with full function TIG welding features, start and end current, upslope, downslope, fully adjustable pulse, AC balance, AC frequency, and 2T to 4T. Professionally designed rocker style foot pedal for amperage control. Available with the optional CK Worldwide Superflex cable and flex head number 17F torch with an independent trigger switch. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Electric TIG Welder Maxstar 161. This Electric Maxstar STR210 TIG Welder, with high-frequency lift start is among the most recent models and the Miller's TIG welding range specifically designed for professionals. DC TIG welders for stainless and mild steel. DC is a great tool for welding aluminum, however it's not typically used in manufacturing areas, as careful cleaning and helium-argon mixture can be costly. The Maxstar features an emergency power switch at the front of the machine to switch the machine to the sleep mode, which helps to conserve the power when it's not. The Miller Maxstar STR210 TIG Welder can be operated from a distance of up to 300 feet, without needing to walk back to the spot where it's located in order to make adjustments. This is only one additional option designed specifically to be used in industrial settings on this incredible welder that uses TIG. Number 4 in our side is PRIMEWELD TIG225X TIG Welder. The PRIMEWELD TIG225X was precisely designed and adjusted to meet the needs of the modern welding. The unit is equipped with the 225 amps of AC/DC TIG welding with stick function that allows both professional and the hobbyist welder to have to use it for a variety of purposes. Power width modulation in conjunction with IGBT technology gives this machine the highest level of dependability. It is extremely efficient on 110V and 220V, with a wide spectrum of pulse features as well as cleaning control for AC. These options give you the greatest flexibility of a welder at this price bracket. The TIG225X is dual 120 and input 240 volt and has a wide range of options and a wide range of settings in the control panel. The 225 amps are able to weld half-inch of metal plate while 10 amps take you all the way to sheet steel that is 24 gauge. The Weld TIG225X Prime AC/DC TIG welding machine with pulse is a flexible welding machine. You can utilize it for a variety of welding projects, such as automobile bodies, furniture made of metal water tanks or metal fences. You can utilize it to weld aluminum and obtain high-quality welding. It is suitable for hobbyists and professional. Last in our best TIG welder list is YESWELDER TIG Welder. This YESWELDER TIG225DS TIG Welder is a powerful and easy to handle high-frequency start TIG machine that's perfect for entry-level welders. This unit is capable of either DC TIG welding, stainless and mild steel, or stick welding. It's a robust machine packed into very compact housing. The lightweight design, ergonomic handle offer exceptional portability that makes the TIG225DS an ideal solution for field applications. Simple and intuitive user interface makes all adjustments quick and easy. Capable of either DC TIG welding, stick welding. Up to 205 more amps, very suitable for welding most types of thicknesses regarding workpieces. Excellent high-frequency TIG start ensures no failures on ignition with superior arc characteristics for smooth and stable performance, non-contact arc initiation. Allows for connection to 110 or 220 volt receptacles without tools. Portable in the shop or at the job site at 13 pounds. The handle allows the end user to easily move from location to location.